Couple entry number 5. Way they go, just like it, Pivotal, Gondor, Small Star, amazing success. Santiago, Danori inside. It's now Gondor, Small Star in second. Just like it is racing in third, rushing up Pivotal, amazing success is Danori inside, and Santiago Matini Idol racing from the outside and flying Minstrel. Passing the half-mile post, Gondor, Small Star, amazing success from the outside, Pivotal. Just like it, Matini Idol, Danori inside is Santiago. Rounding the far turn, Gondor by a neck, amazing success, Small Star. Pivotal, Matini Idol rushing up in between runners. 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. Matini Idol, amazing success, Small Star as they race the final corner. Matini Idol this time by some 2 lengths. Amazing success, Pivotal on the further outside. Matini Idol and Pivotal on the outside. Matini Idol, Pivotal on the outside. Last 50 meters, Matini Idol, Pivotal, and finally Matini Idol. Pivotal, Gondor, amazing success, Santiago, Small Star, number 7, just like it, and Flying Minstrel.